Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new and you were just passing by, please consider subscribing. That's the only way that you're going to get notified when we post new content. Like this video, that's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. You're not going to pay for anything. I'm not going to ask you to pay for anything, whether it's knowledge or the stuff that you can actually download from the blogs. The links are in the description box below. You can visit those blogs and go through them and see if you cannot find what you're looking for: forex robots, systems, indicators, and stuff like that. Okay, so let's get into today's video. You saw the title. I think a disclaimer is, yes, I've seen people who have made a lot of money trading individual stocks, and yeah, people can make money trading individual stocks, but personally I prefer a very easy way to do it, because I do not have the time and patience to always on every day to follow news and updates and releases around certain companies. So I don't exactly advise people to day trade stocks. Again, I've already said that yes, I've seen people made millions day trading stocks, but personally I think there is an easier way to do it, which is indices. What are indices? Indices is where they package all these stocks. For example, what you're looking at is what my broker calls US 100 cash, which is basically the Nasdaq 100. NAS 100. Everyone calls it a different thing. Basically, it's a grouping of the 100 technology companies on the market, and they were packaged into the Nasdaq tradable instrument. So basically, when you are trading the Nasdaq, you are not trading individual stocks, but you are trading 100 companies, their average, whether they are going up or they are going down. And you do not have to track Google, you do not have to track Facebook individually, you do not have to track Tesla on an individual basis and stuff like that. Same with US 30, same with US 500. You have a bunch of companies that were grouped together to form that product as an index. So really, I tried to trade stocks, individual stocks, previously, and I found that it's a lot of homework. It's a lot of homework trying to track each and every stock on an individual basis. But when you group them together, it's so easy. That's why you find that NAS 100, Nasdaq 100, US 30, US 500 trading. In the UK, they've got the UK 100, they've got I think is the Euro 50, they have, I think, the Italian 50, they've got they have all these packages in Europe, in Asia, in the Americas, I think even in emerging markets. So for example, I am in South Africa. I don't need to know what's happening with a company in Japan. I don't need to know what's happening with the companies in Germany. I just need to know whether the German 30 is it going up or is it going down. That's how you make money with indices. So I really, especially for beginners, advise against trying to trade stocks on an individual basis, unless or you have some interest in doing a lot of homework, because you really need to watch for news, you need to watch for their releases of profits or losses, management changes, weather changes, wars, stuff like that. There's a lot of stuff that you need to watch that will move a stock up or down. So I do not really have time for that. So what I really do is trade the indices, trade the indexes. You can trade Facebook, Tesla, Google. You can trade all of these big technology companies using the Nasdaq 100, or you can trade them as part of the US 30, or you can trade them as part of the US 100. German 30, I love trading that, and for the fun of it, I don't even know which companies really make the German 30, but I know how to analyze German 30. I can tell when it's going up and when it's going down, whether I should buy or whether I should sell, which is what counts. Or whether company A is going through some financial difficulties, or company B is doing some managerial changes, whether company C did not make profit targets for the last quarter. I really do not pay attention to those things. I just look at German 30. Is it showing signs of going up? Is it showing signs of going down? Same with mainly I trade the US indices and the German 30. German happens to be the biggest economy in Europe, and sometimes I trade UK 100, but there's a lot of these indices that you can trade, and it's so simple to trade them. For example, that's why Nasdaq 100 is so popular with traders, especially if you're coming from a forex trading background. You find that Nasdaq 100 is easier to trade, more money to be made. If you had been trading forex, you find that you can make a lot of more money in trading indices, but with an increased risk. People tend to forget about the risk, but yeah. So I hope this video helps you. Do you trade individual stocks? Do you trade individual stocks? Leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd like to hear your thoughts. But yeah, my thoughts on the matter is, why try and make your life hard and trade stocks on an individual basis? Just trade the indices. Your life will be simpler without too many headaches. Like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.